Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact device model and the ROM build you intend to install. Mismatches cause bricked devices. Once done, make a full backup of the current ROM, apps, and user data using ADB or your custom recovery so you can restore if needed. Make sure the battery is above 50% and USB debugging is enabled on the device. These reduce failure risk. Prepare the correct ROM file and any required vendor or firmware blobs before proceeding to flashing. Next, install a reliable custom recovery like TWRP using Fastboot or Odin depending on your platform, because stock recovery often blocks custom ROMs. Once in recovery, perform targeted wipes. System, cache, Dalvik/Art cache. Avoid wiping internal storage unless necessary. Then sideload or install the ROM zip from sideload or local storage. Follow with required packages such as GApps or vendor blobs if the ROM needs them. Reboot to recovery between flashes when instructed to ensure each step applied cleanly. Finally, perform the first boot and expect it to take 5 to 15 minutes while the system optimizes apps. Do not interrupt. If you hit a boot loop, immediately re-enter recovery, clear cache/Dalvik and try again. If that fails, restore your backup to recover the device. Make sure to check a DB logcat for error messages that point to missing firmware or incompatible vendor drivers, and reflash the required firmware or blobs if logs indicate missing components. Confirm settings and test core functions once stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.